Hello, it's me again. I know that many of you have trouble in doing the last question on the last assignment. So this is the question. In this diagram, we know that AB is a straight line. And then we have angle X, the angle 2X, and the angle Y. And we have to determine which of the following is correct, the correct value of X and Y. So we have A, B, C, and D, but only one of it is correct. So how do we check? How do we know? Now, since AB is a straight line, this is the most important information. I would like to use a red color to highlight the straight line. AB is a straight line. Okay? AB is a straight line. So on the straight line, we've got the angle 1, the first angle, the second angle, and then the third angle. If you add all the three angles up, how do we call this angle? Yes, a straight angle. If you add the three angles up, they become a straight angle. And we know that a straight angle is 180 degrees. The size must be 180. So we know that x plus 2x plus y must be equal to 180 because remember the reason? Adjacent angles on straight line, right? So if you add them up, it must be equal to 180. Therefore, we just need to check. If you substitute x as 20, y as 120, and then you add the angles up, is it equal to 180? If it is equal to 180, then it must be correct. So let's go ahead to check. So let's check from the last one, okay? So we have to check x plus 2x plus y. We have to check them. So in this case, x is 50, so that we have 50 degrees plus 2 times x, which is 2 times 50. And then plus y is 40. So if you put it this way, then we have 50 plus 250 means 100. So 50 plus 100 plus 40 becomes 190. Oh, this is not 180, so it must be incorrect. This one must be incorrect. Now let's move on to C. In this case, x is 40 and y is 80. So let's check. First of all, we need x, which is 40, plus 2 times x. That means 2 times 40. And then plus y. Y in this case is 80. Now, what is this? 40 plus 2 times 40 becomes 80. So 40 plus 80, 120. 120 plus 80 becomes 200. 200 obviously is not 180. So it must be incorrect. And then B. X is 30, y is 100. So let's check. X is 30 plus 2 times x, and then plus y is 100. 30 plus 2 times 30 becomes 60. 30 plus 60 becomes 90. 90 plus 100, 190. So this is not 180 obviously. So this is also incorrect. And therefore the answer must be A. If you are not sure, please go ahead to check. X is 20 plus 2 times x, that means 2 times 20, plus y is 120. So 20 plus 2 times 20 becomes 40. 20 plus 40 becomes 60. 60 plus 120 is 180. Therefore, this combination is correct. The answer should be A. Okay? So I'm so happy that many of you try to ask me questions about the assignment. So you may also WhatsApp me. My number is 97041022 and I am Mr. Chew. Okay? Okay. See you next time.